How to create a group chat on WhatsApp for Mac. Like most instant messaging application, WhatsApp lets you create a group in order to message more people at once. For you to do that, just click on the More button from the top. Now select the person who you wish to be added into the group. You can also do a search if you have many people on the contact list. After that, click on the arrow from the bottom. Write here about your subject or name for your group. You can also add a picture to your group. Please click on the image part. You can take a photo, upload one, or web search. For this demo, we will upload the photo. Select the photo you wish to edit as the main group photo. You can crop the image and edit it if you want. Tap on Done. Now tap on the Done button. In this group, you have different possibilities. You can call video or audio the members of the group. If you click the group's name from the top, you will get the group info. Here you can edit the name and the picture of the group. Also, you can mute all notification. You can mute the group for a specific time. You can also add participants or invite to the group via link. On group settings, you can set up who will send messages and edit group info. I would set up that only admins can edit the group. Also, depending on the group's type, you can allow only admin to send messages or everybody. Also, here you can edit group's admin. At the bottom of the page, you have the option to exit the group. Let's get back to the group. On the top, we can do a search on the group. Also, we have a Add File and the More button. Let's tap on the More button. Here, you will have the possibility to do the same as on the group info. Mute notification and exit group. Also, you can clear messages. On the group, you can do the same as on a normal conversation. Send messages, file, contacts, audio files, and videos. It is the same as a normal conversation. Let's send a test message. You can also send audio messages. Click on the microphone. Click OK to allow WhatsApp to access the microphone. Now you can record your audio message. Tap Done to send the message. If you have done an error, you can cancel the audio message by clicking Cancel. If you click on the More button from a message, you can reply, forward, and delete it. Let me delete the test message. You can delete it for yourself or everyone. Click Delete for everyone to remove this message for all members in the group. These are the main options for a group on WhatsApp for Mac. If this was useful, please like, share, and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.